Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to delete all shared posts on Facebook. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage, delete or remove shared posts on Facebook. Now this is suitable for posts that have been made by yourself or also posts that have been made that you've been tagged into. Now maybe there's something that you may be associated with, or you may have said at some time or point in your history on Facebook that maybe in retrospect you may find that offends someone, so you might want to delete it, or you just want to clean up your profile just to make a fresh start. But either way, we're going to go onto both our iPhone and also onto a Windows PC. Now don't forget, if you are using a Mac, the effects will be very similar, and also for those of you on Android devices, it will be very similar looking as well. Now obviously this is June 2020 and the Facebook app does tend to change from time to time, so if that is the case then maybe you might need to look a little bit further to find the bits that we're going to be heading for. But anyway, with that said, let's get straight into it. Okay, so first of all let's go into Facebook. So this is the Facebook homepage. Now one of the things you're going to do first of all is to click on your profile. You can do that from either on the left hand side here, or you can click on it at the top. So I'm going to click on it at the top and this brings up your profile. Now this is one of the first places you can go to look at the places where posts are and how to delete them, and the section we want is the activity log. So we click on activity log. This will list all the posts that are relevant to you. So if we look down the left hand side, we've got a timeline review, photo review, we've got posts, activities that you're tagged in, and other posts on your timeline, or others posts onto your timeline. There's also hidden section, all these other things. But the ones that probably you're going to be most interested in are posts and activities that others have posted on your timeline. Maybe for instance someone's posted something on your timeline which you find slightly offensive, or in retrospect is slightly offensive, then maybe you want to get rid of it. So let's click on posts first of all. And this will give you an overview. On the right hand side you've got your options for the different years that you've been a member on Facebook, and you can go down through and select your posts. So on this particular one, as for instance today, I posted a new picture of a potential price for the new PS5 console. And what you can do is you can click on the edit button on the side, and this will give you some options. So you can either say it's allowed on timeline, or you can have it hidden from timeline, or you can choose to delete it altogether. So that's one way of doing it. Also, you can choose whether the post itself can be public or just seen by friends, or friends except certain people that you've taken off of your list. Also, you can do activities that you're tagged in. So say for instance someone's tagged you in something and maybe you don't like it, then you can get rid of it. For instance, Kath here has tagged me in a comment for some pens, some promotional pens for the Mike's Unboxing channel. So and click on edit there, and you can either choose to report it or remove a tag. So if you click on report / remove a tag, this takes you into the next section, and then you can decide what the problem is with it, why it shouldn't be on there, that kind of thing. Once you've done that, then you can choose to either remove it or report it. Also, you can choose whether it's public or not. Also, you can see the status to see if it's public, and as you can see, this one is public. So if you're all over there, maybe it's only going to be to friends or friends of a friend, that kind of thing. But anyway, you get the general idea. So you can go through these things and see other things. There's others posts on your timeline. So generally these are going to be things like happy birthday wishes, that sort of thing, but you never know, there could be something on there which is potentially offensive. So you can go through and you can just click on the edit button on the side, and you could have it either allowed on timeline, hidden from timeline, delete, or again report it or mark it as spam. So that's one way of getting into see what is going on your timeline, your activity log. Again, you can go through all these sections on the left hand side and give your profile a really good cleanup. Another way of doing it, if we go to our home page and then click on our profile again, you can scroll down a little bit further to one of your first posts or where you're about to post, and you can click on Manage Posts. Clicking on Manage Posts brings up a list, and you see the view. So there's a grid view, or you can have a list view. And in this way, you can actually clear off a load of stuff in bulk. So say for instance, June was a particularly bad month and you want to get rid of June altogether, just put a tick box there, click on Next, and then you can choose whether to hide all those posts or delete all those posts. So if you're trying to do a bulk delete on your profile and you want to just basically go through month by month and get rid of everything that's on there, you can do that. Or alternatively, you can just do individuals just by clicking in the checkbox, that sort of thing. Again, choice is yours. Clean up your profile as much or as little as you want to, but hopefully some of you might find this useful. So now let's go ahead to our Apple iPhone and we'll do the same thing. Okay, so we're in the Facebook app now, and again, slightly different. So click on the hamburger menu at the bottom and then click on to see your profile, and then you can go through and check out your posts, etc. If you go down a little bit further, you can see the manage posts option again, and then again, you can scroll down through. It's a little bit of a tighter view on this, so you have to kind of flick through. You can't do the month view, unfortunately, on this particular one. So you just have to go through and individually select it, click on next, and then you can choose whether you want to delete, hide, or remove tags, etc. Again, super flexible, very easy to do. Essentially, all you need to do is go into your own personal profile and you can look for your activity lists, or you can click on your manage posts section. So let's try and find the activity log on a mobile. So going back to the main menu, if you click on your profile again, and at this point, where you've got add story, and you've got those three little dots, just click on the three little dots, and then you've got your profile settings. You can get into this another way, but this is the easiest way I can find. So in profile settings, go into activity log, and again, we get a similar sort of thing, gives you the information, welcome to activity log, so we'll get rid of that. And again, you can scroll down through your posts and you can choose what you want to do. So for instance, click on the three dots, you can choose view, unlike. So if there's a post that you've liked and you're in hindsight you're thinking, well, maybe I shouldn't have liked that, that's probably gives a bad impression, that kind of thing, you can get rid of that. Depending how it is, you can go into the filters at the top and you can choose whether it's a certain category or a certain date, and you can go into, if you scroll across on this top section, you can go into the recycle bin, see older things, manage activity. If you go into manage activity, you've got your posts, videos and more. So again, very similar to it was on the PC, and you can go through and again, you can do the tick box thing. So you can just check down the side and delete a load if you want, archive them, do whatever you want to, or again, click on the three buttons on the side and then you can choose what to do, whether you can view it, edit the privacy, hide from timeline, move to an archive, or just chuck it in the recycle bin. Relatively straightforward, not the most simple of interfaces, but again, as long as you can find your activity log or post management, that kind of thing, you should be able to get in and clean up all your posts. So there we go. There's how to delete all of your Facebook shared posts in 2020. I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll see you in the very next post. Thanks for watching.